skating this, bro. Oh, you dodging. What are you doing? What are you doing? Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we have the Land Rover 110 Defender long wheelbase. It's a 2008 model. It's got a 2.4 litre engine and it only has 120 horsepower. How mad is that? 120 horsepower pulling this. Do you have any torque statistics on it? Must be double, has to be.
It's got, no, it'd be diesel, so it'd be double, yeah. So it'd be like 300, realistically.
300 torque, probably.
Yeah.
We'll pull that up in the screen now. And yeah, we'll just have a little walk around the vehicle. So here's your engine, obviously a diesel motor. And yeah, I'd point out what's going on, but it's a
2.4 turbo.
Oi, have you heard his echoes, bro?
I know, I noticed that a minute ago.
Echoes in there.
Woo!
What? That's how you know it's a big bay. So yeah, look at it.
300 newton meters.
300 newton meters, yeah.
Meter of torque, yeah. Wow. So that's why I was so surprised about it's only 120 horsepower. Because you can feel the torque in it when you put your foot down.
Diesel torque for you, isn't it?
So here's the cab. The driver's seat. It's got double. Has it got double ratios? It's got multiple ratios or something on it. So it's got like four-wheel drive mode. Oh, it's a handbrake, is it?
The one. Yeah.
So this is
so you got high-low.
High-low ratio, yeah.
Yeah.
Gearbox,
low,
standard
four
clutch.
High. Clutch. It's very. There's no. I mean, I think there is power steering, but I think it's very minimal. Like it's very heavy. Maybe.
Obviously, anybody that's driven one before, you know. I think more than anything, they're really practical, but they drive like a boat. Worse than a van.
Yeah. They've got a lot of body roll.
A lot of body roll.
This one's got a lot of patina as well.
But it's in good condition though for its age.
Yeah.
It's been kept.
66,000 miles on the clock on this car. 66,000.
And today
we've got three bikes in there. We're going for a mountain bike, so we've got 3 bikes in there just to sort of show you. Well, it shows you the size sort of thing as well.
So that's a full-size
electric bike,
full-size hardtail and full-size full suspension. So you've got a lot of room, and we could still fit more bikes. 100%.
We could fit another bike in here. We've still got all of this room here, and we've got all the roof as well.
Yeah, that's it. Should we get it started?
Yeah, keys are in it, so you can hear it. Fire it up. Like we say, it's only got 66,000 miles on it, so she's fresh. I mean, it sounds very good. So this particular one is 17 years old. Right.
What do you reckon, guys? Doesn't sound that bad, really, for a diesel.
Diesel.
It's a truck, isn't it? A big ass truck. But yeah, I'd like people to test these cars out because I think you'd be surprised at how tough it actually is to drive it. To be fair, it is a tough car to drive.
I really like it, me.
Yeah,
I have got it stuck before, off-roading it, and broke the prop shaft. That was not cheap to fix. But
classic English. Classic English vehicle, isn't it? So.
But anyway, we'll see you on the road, innit?
Yeah, we'll see you on the road, guys.
Land Rover problems. All right, look. Window, pressing it here up and down. Ready?
Ready, guys. Let's try this one. Oh, this one works. Yeah, that's what I'm capturing there. So what do you think about Land Rover then?
I've always liked this car, mate.
Yeah. What you got to say about it though? Like driving it every day.
Driving it every day is
It's a bit...
In it.
unless you bought that 5-ton clutch thing where it like basically turns the clutch into a normal car, like a normal car.
Just makes the clutch light, base, because the clutch is just bare heavy and that in it.
Pretty much,
The bike point's weird in it as well, though, isn't
bike
it?
point's dead high and it's really heavy, the clutch.
I do like the car. Though. Personally, I like driving it. It's just a boat. That's all it is. It's just a boat. Like I say, body roll. But... And this is the only one I've driven, so I've not really got another one to compare it to, and it's got no miles. It's got no miles on it, so
And it's been used, hasn't it? Like obviously,
it's a workhorse.
Yeah, we've used this as a van for fencing. You've used it for your projects and that as well, isn't it? Like
She's ripped
literally,
the car off.
Literally bad workhorse.
That's why it looks like it does.
Yeah. Ripped a van off.
I've ripped Mum's Porsche off with it.
Yeah.
Shut up! What did you do with that?
I've ripped a couple of vehicles off
when she first got it.
Reversed into it.
Reversed into it with the
Bro.
the back wheel hit it and dented all the door. Cost me.
Did she go sick?
Shit, yeah, I remember
My
that.
claim, I got a claim because I got knocked off my scooter when I was a kid. When that money landed, I
Gone.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
got stung, mate.
That was a spenny one, that.
$3,000 through the door.
Go on, Bush. Don't rag it, lad. Yes, Bush. Yes, Bush. It's like skating this, bro. Oh, you dodgy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Mate, pull over. Lad, chill the out, bro. You're gonna dunk me into whatever you do.
Call off-roading, Land Rover 110. Yeah, there you have it. So that's that. Land Rover 110, Defender, one wheelbase, up to 110. Yeah, only a short one, but we'll see you next week, guys.
See you next week, boys.